Hello, and welcome to the Cloud Repatriation from AWS to On-Prem Edge Infrastructure screencast. We will demonstrate how OpenNebula enables seamless cloud repatriation by migrating a lightweight IoT virtual machine from AWS to the Edge node. We will deploy a Phoenix RTOS appliance and will migrate it live to an on-premises server at Gdańsk University of Technology, showing how easily OpenNebula handles hybrid and edge-native scenarios. Before we dive into the demo, let's look at why cloud repatriation is important, especially for edge and IoT use cases. Public cloud offers flexibility, but it often introduces latency, high recurring costs, and regulatory challenges. Meanwhile, edge computing helps you reduce latency by processing data locally, lower cloud dependency and costs, improve resilience by running services closer to the devices, comply with data locality and sovereignty rules. Cloud repatriation refers to strategic relocation of workloads from the public cloud back to private or edge environments, often for better cost control, data sovereignty, or performance. Phoenix RTOS is a real-time operating system designed for embedded systems and industrial devices. It's lightweight, fast, and optimized to run on resource-constrained environments. It's a great fit for robotics, smart manufacturing, and other IoT scenarios where deterministic behavior and direct hardware interaction matter. In this demo, we'll use Phoenix RTOS as a virtual appliance distributed via the OpenNebula marketplace, allowing us to quickly launch it across different cloud and edge sites. Now let's walk through the 4 key steps in our migration process. Select the Phoenix RTOS image from the OpenNebula marketplace. We launched the VM on a bare metal host in AWS to simulate a typical centralized cloud deployment. We then migrate the running VM to a local node at Gdańsk TU using OpenNebula's live migration with minimal service disruption. Finally, we access the system via the built-in VNC console to interact with the appliance directly. After logging into the OpenNebula dashboard, we land on the main screen where we can see all of our virtual machines. To deploy a new Phoenix RTOS appliance, we simply click the plus button at the top of the screen and then choose Phoenix RTOS from the list of available templates. Let's pick up the name for a new virtual machine and we will leave the rest of the settings on their default values. Of course, if needed, we could adjust memory, disk size, or even deploy multiple instances at the same time right from this screen. Now we click Next and we go directly to the placement section where we choose where VMs should be deployed. To simulate repatriation process, we'll firstly deploy it on a bare metal host located in AWS, and later we will live migrate it to a node in Gdańsk, Poland. Now the virtual machine is in the process of deployment. Because Phoenix RTOS is a lightweight operating system built specifically for IoT devices, the whole process takes just a few seconds. Now when virtual machine is up and running, let's kick off the migration from AWS to Gdańsk. To do that, we open the drop-down menu at the top and select Migrate Live. A new window pops up showing all the available hosts. We choose the Gdańsk node and select the corresponding system data store. The migration process is now underway. After a few moments, we will see the status is back to running, which confirms that the live migration was successful, no shutdowns, no downtime. Following that, let's connect the virtual machine to the internet. We go to Network tab, click Attach NIC and choose the public network from Gdańsk. Within seconds, networking is configured and our appliance is now online at its new location. Now we can consider that virtual machine is fully migrated to Gdańsk TU. We can access the console right from the Virtora dashboard by clicking the screen icon on the right. A new window's open showing the Phoenix RTOS boot logs. This means the appliance has been successfully deployed and is now running. we get the message, "Welcome to Phoenix RTOS," confirming that everything is working as expected. There is no graphical interface since Phoenix RTOS is a headless, terminal-only operating system designed for low-level device interaction. To confirm the current location of the virtual machine, let's type curl ipinfo.io. The public IP resolves to Gdańsk University of Technology, confirming that the VM has been successfully migrated from AWS to an on-prem edge location in Poland. This screencast is produced in the scope of ONEnextgen project. Thank you for watching and see you in the next screencast.